Crypto prices are looking beautiful today. Not only is sentiment rising, but the prices are rising as well. And things are actually looking very good. Bitcoin sitting at $121,500 right now. Ethereum almost $4,500. Solana back up above 230. Dude, look at BNB. $1,144. I mean, to be honest with you, this is probably the most surprising one. Over the last couple of years, it has done a fantastic job off these $200 lows to $1,100 highs here. But nonetheless, we're not going to focus on BNB. We're not going to focus on Solana in this video. We're going to be focusing on XRP, Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu coin because they've got some very nice price predictions as the overall market is rising. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you for watching the videos on this channel. A lot of you guys might not know that YouTube gave me 2 strikes on my other channel. They will not tell me why. I think it's because they just don't like cryptocurrency content, but they won't explain why I had the 2 strikes, and I'm not allowed to post on there until the middle of December, right? It's terrible, man. No monetization, the inability to post, completely being silenced. So the fact that you guys are even watching on this channel is absolutely incredible. I do want to say thank you for the support. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do so. I'm going to try to be as consistent as possible, and then we'll figure out what we're doing with the other channel and stuff mid-December. So thank you guys very much for that. Crypto market predictions, key insights on XRP, Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu coin. Now, I do own all 3 of these. I own more of some of them than others, and I'm excited about all of them. It says October, known as Uptober in the crypto world, is living up to its reputation. Oh, and it's looking very good so far. Market forecasts indicate explosive trends. XRP is poised to break the $3 mark. Bitcoin showing signs, hitting above 120,000. And Shiba Inu coin may signal a significant bullish comeback. Guys, this article's a couple hours old, and already we're seeing all of this happen. Not only is Bitcoin breaking 120, it's already above 121. XRP broke $3 already, and Shiba Inu coin is up as well, 1% over the last 24 hours here, 1.21% over the last hour here. So it's actually having a pretty good hour as we speak. Now, these analysts go on to say that the path to $3. I'm going to focus a little bit more on Shiba Inu coin in this video, so we're going to go through these here pretty quick. It says XRP is trading above its 50-day exponential moving average, which indicates renewed buyer interest in the short term. The asset is also testing a descending trend line coupled with confluence of moving averages. If XRP breaks resistance at 3, which it is currently doing, it's going to have 320 and 350 as levels of resistance. A pullback, 284. I highly doubt we see 261 before the bull market rips, but nonetheless, that's another level of resistance or support. 270 has actually held up very well over the last couple of weeks here. Now, Bitcoin, signs of overheating. I could not disagree more. Bitcoin is going up, absolutely. Bitcoin is getting ready to test all-time highs, absolutely, but it is not overbought. We are sitting in a neutral territory in terms of overall sentiment, and Bitcoin is essentially showing no signs of overheating right now. So I disagree with the fact that just because it's running into resistance does not mean that it's overheating. Clearly, 124, 126,000 is resistance because these are the all-time highs that we're hitting. So anytime that you're going to be testing all-time highs, you're going to run into resistance. But when broken, there's no technical resistance on the chart. Now, Shiba Inu coin facing crucial resistance here. This is true. Shiba Inu coin, often considered a speculative token, could be emerging from its prolonged wait-and-see phase. The cryptocurrency is currently testing a crucial technical resistance around 1,200 points per coin, a threshold that was historically played as a pivotal role in price dynamics. If broken, right, resistance is going to lie at 1,360 points per coin and 1,400 points per coin. Now, it says the crypto markets forecast outline divergent scenarios for XRP, Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu coin. Investors should remain cautious while closely monitoring major technical breakouts. Volumes, Bitcoin dominance, and global macroeconomics will play a decisive role in what happens next. Absolutely. So here's what we got on the horizon, right? Interest rates should and could be lowered again at least twice, or at the most, I should say twice, throughout the rest of this year. That is going to be a major boost for cryptocurrencies. And I might be wrong on the date, but whatever one of the last Wednesdays in October is, I believe is the next FOMC meeting or the interest rate decision there. So end of this month, we could have another interest rate cut, which is going to be very good. We've got regulatory clarity coming in every single day. We've got new ETF applications. We've got institutional investors. We've got a mainstream crypto adoption like we have never had before. And the ability to buy and hold and store your crypto becomes easier and easier. And if there's anything that I know, retail investors love ease. So with that, guys, all of the macroeconomic conditions, at least as of right now, are pointing towards bullish activity. What we're really waiting on in terms of meme coins and Shiba Inu coin is the sentiment, the emotion. People are unwilling to buy risky assets, especially meme coins, when they are not greedy, when they are not emotional, when they are not overexcited. And right now at 57, it is much better off than it was a couple of days ago at 40 and 39, and I believe it fell all the way to 32. But it is rising. And as it rises into greedy territory, and eventually into extremely greedy territory, is when meme coins thrive. So continue to watch the indicators. Make your decisions now before you become emotional. And then let the market play out. You know, you and I, we can't control the market. We can only react and invest based off the indicators. And as Shiba Inu coin is ready and on the verge of breaking out of a major descending triangle, I continue to accumulate. Now, one of the places that I am buying is the KCEX exchange. That's what you guys see on the screen right now. You can buy Shiba Inu coin on up to 75x leverage, and you can actually trade. You're not going to find better fees in the United States, at least. Maker fees and taker fees, 0%. And that's on all meme coins. If you check out their major altcoins, Bitcoin, and so on, it's 0.01% on your taker fee. So I still don't know where you're going to get less than 0.01%. Some places are 0.04%. So make sure to check out the KCEX exchange, and do not forget to diversify. I am diversifying into a lot of these tiny little meme coins because I believe that the explosive rally is right around the corner. I want to know what you guys are buying. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.